Yo, what's up? It's JC Wilkie, Real FOREX King, back for another Forex Weekly forecast for the week of the 11th to the 17th. So for this week upcoming, we're going to look at the Forex calendar by going to forexfactory.com. That's the best source to see what's happening for the week since the market is influenced by events like news events. So let's start off with looking at the Sunday. With Sunday, just a lot of low impact news events. Actually, a little bit, as you can see. Monday, mostly low impact news events. So Monday, the market should have nothing too crazy going on. You see the pairs affected like USD, New Zealand, and then Tuesday, that's where I expect to see more movement in the market, especially in New York session with the CPI MM and the core CPI MM. And also the New Zealand RBNZ rate statements. It's definitely watch out when you trade this pair. It's very volatile during easing session. Wednesday, there's a lot of news events affecting like the AUD during Asian session. You got New York session with USD pairs, Canadian pairs. So Wednesday is a very heavy day in the market. But for Euro pair is a French big holiday, so any correlation with the euro might be pretty like slow a little bit. But overall, there's a lot of volatility going to be in the market Wednesday due to news events. Thursday, some decent amounts of news events throughout New York session as well as going into Asian session. And you have like New Zealand pair, it's going to be very volatile, as well as JPY. And then Friday, big news events, USD, that's going to be the New York session. So probably end the week with some more volatility. So now let's look at the charts. Let's start by looking at USD JPY forward chart. So last week the market pretty much tanked. It like dropped like down heavy. And I was thinking it's gonna like break this area or really respect this area of support and shoot back up. But now I shot back down, creating a new low. So right now we are on a minor downtrend for USD JPY. So for this week coming up, I will look for like sell opportunities. Right now, I'm trying to see if the market, if it opens up from Sunday open and hits here, I'm looking for opportunities for sell back down for a new low. So we had this area in the past of support. So I'm going to see if it comes down and tests the area of support. If it respects the support, we will shoot back up a little bit, but if it doesn't, we'll continue to come back down. So it all depends on support and resistance. So this is an area that I'm paying attention to, how the market reacts. Also, this is an area up here, the 110,600. I'm paying attention to see if we're going to respect this area and drop back down, or we're going to do a continuation and look for like buyer opportunities back to the upside. And let's look at gold. So gold's been on an uptrend, as you can see. Um, right now, it's like an uptrend, solid uptrend. So there's going to probably be a break. We could literally come back down, respect this trend line, and continue up to 1831. Because as you see, in the past, we dropped down heavily and shot back down, and now we're on a minor correction to the upside. So we could literally reject and shoot back up to get to this area. You say 1850, or we could potentially break this trend line and shoot down, creating a downtrend back down to the 1760 area. So the 1760 area is an area to pay attention to if we come down and break this trend line. If we close below here, we should potentially be shooting back down. And And for US 30, this was like a clean trade this past week. The market like shot down and then it tested this area. This is an area of strong demand zone and shot back up. So we are on an uptrend. So this week I will be focusing right now on buy opportunities. Market could literally come back down and then shoot back up, creating new highs. So we could come back and test the 3,500 area, or if the market decides to randomly come back down and break down this area, if we close below this area, then we'll be coming back for a downtrend. But right now we are in an uptrend, so I will be focusing on buy opportunities. I'll wait for the pullback and then wait for it to like shoot back up. Now AUD USD. So this pair was on a downtrend. We came up, like we checked this area, we shot down, created a new low, shot down, created a new low again. But then Friday, we created support and we shot back up. So we are on a minor uptrend. So we could literally come down a little bit and then shoot back up. It seems like the market wants to retest the 0.75, 770 area. So that's like a target. But if we decide, at least the market decides to come back down here, then we potentially might come back down for a downtrend if it breaks below here. So it all varies. And then XRP, it's kind of been sloppy lately. The crypto market's been on a downtrend. So right now, we can literally come back up and then shoot back down. Because right now, we are on a downtrend for XRP. So look for sell opportunities. And for GBUSD, for our chart, last week we came back down and had a lot of consolidation. We're expecting this demand zone area, and the market just shot up for Friday. So this week, I do see the market continue on uptrend. We could literally come down a little bit, but yet retest back up to test this area, which is like the 0.39800. Can literally come up, test here, come back down, and shoot back up. But as you can see the pattern with GPUSD, it created this crazy drop. The name came up, just a drop. Consolidation usually is a breakout, which is the breakout. So we could literally come back down, maybe consolidate a little bit, and decide to do not a breakout to the upside. Or if we test back down here, it can be some consolidation before a breakout to the downside or to the upside. So it all depends. But right now, focus on buy opportunities for GBUSD. So this is pretty much analysis for this upcoming week. Remember to be cautious for news events, trade what you see, and not what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.